Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to enhance colors using a saturation mask in Adobe Photoshop so you can make your images look vibrant without oversaturating the entire photo. This technique lets you boost color only where you actually want it, which keeps skin tones natural and prevents backgrounds from looking unrealistic. It's a simple adjustment layer trick that works for portraits, landscapes, product photos, and basically any image you want to improve. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop guides. First, add a hue and saturation adjustment layer by going to Layer, then New Adjustment Layer and choosing Hue/Saturation. Once the adjustment panel appears, start increasing the saturation slider slowly. Watch your image as you do this because you want the colors to become richer but not overly intense. The goal is to create a strong base effect that we will control using a mask. Next, look at the white layer mask attached to the adjustment layer. This mask controls where the color boost appears. Select the mask thumbnail, then choose the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Use a soft brush with smooth edges and set your foreground color to black. Now start painting over areas where you do not want extra saturation, such as skin tones or neutral backgrounds. As you paint, the saturation disappears from those areas while staying strong everywhere else. Finally, if the effect looks a little too strong, simply lower the opacity of the hue saturation adjustment layer until everything looks balanced and natural. This small tweak helps blend the colors perfectly into the original photo, and that is how you enhance colors using a saturation mask in Photoshop. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.